Good morning. My name is Engineer Piyush Pandey, ladies and gentlemen. And the topic for today's discussion is always show your undivided attention in the classroom. Sometimes it happens, ladies and gentlemen, that when a professor is taking a lecture in a classroom, the students are busy doing assignments of other subjects. Now, in professional colleges, professors give assignments also to the students that they have to complete at their home. But sometimes the students they complete their assignments in the classroom lecture. They do not complete their assignments at home. And when the professor asks that why are you completing assignments of other subjects in my lecture? Why you are not showing your undivided attention to me? The students say that, sir, we are overburdened. In the evening, when the college hours are over, we reach home late. Our home is far away from the college. And reaching home, we are so tired that we are not in condition to do anything. And this is the reason that we are doing assignments right now. Sometimes they even take permission from the professor who is taking the lecture that can we do assignments of other subjects, please? Ladies and gentlemen, if you are not showing your undivided attention to the lecture which is going on, you will never be able to understand that what professor has taught you in that particular lecture. Professors teach you subjects based on the syllabus and it moves with the flow. If you do not understand one particular lecture, in the upcoming lecture, you will not be able to understand anything because it is in sequence. So you have to show your undivided attention to the professor in every lecture that you are attending. Ladies and gentlemen, attending lecture is the most crucial thing in any professional college because the teacher is teaching you live and whatever doubts you are having related to the topic which the teacher is teaching, you can clarify those doubts there and then. Because if you have doubts in your mind, the upcoming chapters which the teacher is going to tell you, you will never be able to understand those chapters because that will be a sequential flow. That's why always show your undivided attention to the particular lecture, to the particular professor. And please don't give this excuse that you don't have time. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have chosen a particular subject for your graduation and post-graduation in a professional college, it means the subject is directly related to the profession which you are going to be a part of after completing your course. That's why always think from a broad way. Just do not think from the point of view of qualifying the examination. Think from this point of view that after completing your graduation and PG in a particular subject, you have to get job based on that particular subject. Your interview is going to happen based on that particular subject. That's why always show your undivided attention in every lecture. Be focused. Be focused on what the professor is teaching you in a particular lecture. Always have a pen and pad with you. If you do not understand anything, do not disturb the professor in the mid. Write down your queries. Write down your queries, and once the lecture is over, ask your professor the doubts in that particular lecture only. Sometimes when the professor is teaching something, in that particular flow, the student is not able to grab certain concepts. In that case, it is allowed that student must hold the professor for a while and politely request him that, sir, ma'am, I did not understand this point. So if you can please explain this point right now, it will be easy for me to move with the flow. This is the right way of showing concentration during the lectures, ladies and gentlemen. Students of today times, they do not give much importance to classroom lectures, and this is not good in any way. If you really want to be a part of good jobs after completing your graduation and post-graduation, you must show 100% concentration towards the lectures which are going on a daily basis in your professional college. Because corporate people also love those employees who focus on the things when their seniors and superiors and their managers are teaching them. After joining any organization as an employee of the company, they do not align you in the task immediately. They give you training sessions. In those training sessions, there are certain corporate trainers who train you on the task that you have to do in that company. And during those lectures, if you do not show your undivided attention, it is a matter of frustration for them and you may get fired from the organization. And they may say that you are a non-serious employee. It never happens at professional college level because you are a learning student over there. You are there to complete your graduation and post-graduation courses. So students do not take this thing very seriously. That okay, even if they are not concentrating on the ongoing lecture, it is not going to bring any negative change in their life. But it brings a negative change in their life, ladies and gentlemen, because now you have become habitual of not concentrating when somebody is speaking in front of you. You have become habitual of not concentrating when somebody is speaking in front of you, and same attitude you show in industry also when your industrial trainers train you in their training sessions. But industry never spares anyone. They are paying you money. And if you don't show your undivided attention over there, they will fire you. They will fire you. Because in industries, you don't get training to build up your professional credibility. That happens at professional college level. In industries, they are training you so that after getting that training, you can work efficiently for them. This is the sole purpose of giving you trainings at corporate level. They train you so that you can become good professional and you can show a certain level of dedication towards the goals and aspirations of the organization. And if you are not able to do so, you get fired. But nobody fires you as a student because you are a student. That's why always show your undivided attention in the classroom. Otherwise, if you have lack of knowledge, you will never get any job. Be it campus placement drive or off-campus placement drive, you will never be able to show your commitment and dedication in both these cases. And you will not be able to qualify any kind of interview, whether it is in campus or off campus, because concentration is the key to success, ladies and gentlemen, nothing else. That's all for today. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, trainer, B.Tech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.